Let's say you did have a new customer. They came in, everything went really smoothly, and then they asked you the question, can you get it to our warehouse in LA? And let's just, for the sake of argument, let's say you don't want to do DDP or LDP or anything like that. So what's the best advice? How would you advise that person? And let them know that, hey, our service stops here. You need to.
Basically, we have two shipping partners. It's good business practice to never have one supplier. So we have two suppliers. I'd like to have three. We've got two. So what we'll generally do is, and these shipping partners are based here in Ho Chi Minh City, but of course, all shipping partners, they have partners all over the world in various places. So I would then pass on the details of the shipping departments here, and they would immediately get in contact with our customer and give them their counterpart in Los Angeles, New York, London, wherever they are. A representative would then come out from that company to wherever that company is, let's say in Long Beach, and say, what are you looking to do? How are you looking to do it? Okay, these are the quotations. At that point, being fairly green, I would imagine the customer would come back to me normally and say, Paul, what do you think of these? Does that look reasonable to you? And we can pull up some previous shipments that we've done before. I can ask other customers that I have in Los Angeles or New York and say, what do you think? And we generally we just try and help them along and get it through it the first time. Because sometimes if you don't know about shipping, it can be quite daunting. It's actually not, it's quite a simple process. It happens millions of times a day. So you can get through it.
Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.